You sat 3 rows behind him in economics class, and you still remember the way he just stared at the board like everyone else was going too slow. He never raised his hand to answer. He raised his hand to correct the teacher. Back then, you thought he was weird. You thought he would end up alone in some lab somewhere, building something no one would ever use. You were 18 years old, and all you wanted was to graduate, get a job, and stop worrying about money. That was the plan. That was the whole plan. He had a different one. While you were picking a safe major, he was reading economics textbooks he didn't need to read. While you were trying to fit in, he was calculating how long it would take to replace an industry. You didn't know that then, you found out the hard way. 10 years after graduation, you watched the news one Tuesday morning with a bowl of cereal going soggy in your hand. SpaceX just signed a contract with NASA worth $2.9 billion. The name on the screen was the same name that sat 3 rows ahead of you in that classroom. You put the bowl down and didn't pick it back up. It wasn't jealousy, not exactly. It was the moment you realized he had been playing a completely different game the whole time, and you had been standing on the wrong field. He didn't get lucky. He left PayPal with $180 million and put every single dollar into 3 companies at the same time because he believed so hard it looked like madness. He almost went bankrupt in 2008. Tesla needed money, SpaceX needed money, and the banks were falling apart around him. Most people would have pulled back. He borrowed from friends to make payroll. He did not stop. By the time you were finally putting money into a 401k, he was rebuilding an entire rocket that had blown up on the launch pad. You were afraid to ask your boss for a raise. He was calling the engineers at 3 a.m. to try again. That gap between you two was never really about intelligence. It was about what you were each willing to feel. He was willing to feel terrified and keep building anyway. You were willing to feel safe and keep waiting. In 2024, his net worth crossed $300 billion. Not because he was born with it, because he treated risk the way most people treat safety. You still have that economics textbook somewhere in a box? He probably doesn't remember it at all. But every time you see his name now, you don't feel envy. You feel awake. And being awake, even late, is still the beginning of something. Subscribe so you don't miss what's coming next.